Hello my dear friend, this is the second question where we're going to evaluate a trigonometric function, and this is sine function, and we just learned in the previous video of sine formula for finding the limit, and that was a limit when our angle theta tends to 0, then sine of the angle divided by the same angle is equals to 1. So by using this trigonometric limit evaluating formula for sine, we're going to solve this, okay? And but how to do this? This is ax, and in denominator we don't have anything, we have bx. In denominator again we don't have anything, and while this x is approaching to 0, so angle is not exactly approaching to 0. So what we can do, yes, what we can do, very simple. Limit x tends to 0, see here, just write sine ax here, and if you do not get in denominator anything, then write from your side. Okay, you write this ax from your side. I'm doing from with different color, let's say with white. Okay, I write this ax from my side, and as divided here I'm going to multiply also, so no problem at all. And as we have learned algebra of limits, we can individually write limit for numerator and for denominator. So this was our numerator, and now for the numerator, right? Again, limit when x tends to 0, sine bx we have, but in denominator we didn't have bx. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide by bx and multiply by bx. Alright, and further the benefit is this x and x will get cancelled. Alright, now no more x, this and this get cancelled, and just we have a over b. And we know that when x tends to 0, definitely ax will also tends to 0. When x is almost very close to 0, then definitely ax will also tends to 0. Alright, and bx will also tends to 0, because x is like 0, so ax will be also like 0 and bx will be also like 0. Alright, but x is not exactly equals to 0, you know that. So our question now, numerator is limit, and writing ax tends to 0. Always you do like this. Alright, when your angle is not exactly approaching, when like angle is here ax, but our limit is like x tends to 0. So whenever you see difference between angle and this approaching value, then you have to change your approaching value according to that, but you need to see whether it is possible or not. But it's possible here. When x tends to 0, ax is possible to tend 0, alright, to approach to 0. So now it's sine ax divided by ax times this constant a, and in denominator also we can go, this is limit, similarly bx tends to 0, sine bx divided by bx, alright, and times this b, this b. Okay, so this is b here, and as the formula, this limit angle tends to 0, sine of the angle divided by angle, that will be 1 times a, and again this limit, this bx tends to 0, sine of the bx divided by bx, that's 1, so 1 over b, and that's a by b, our answer.